Today we're going to look at how we service a Husky 1GS nozzle. First, remove the nozzle from the pump. Carefully drain out any remaining fluid inside by pulling the trigger, keeping the nozzle upright and down out the spout. Take a Phillips screwdriver, remove the retaining screw. Now take an adjustable spanner, undo the main nut. Carefully, slowly remove the end of the spout, making sure the gasket remains in place. Inspect the gasket to make sure there's no damage. Also check inside the sensing port to make sure there's no damage there. Next, inspect the nozzle spout itself. Check the sensing port in this location for any damage. Also check the seat for any damage around here, and if required, blow any debris out of the sensing tube. To reassemble, locate the sensing tube into the socket. With firm pressure, press and hold the spout in position while you redo the spout locking nut. Before finally tightening, align the spout in line with the gun and retighten. Finally, refit the screw to that location, and also check the end of the nozzle to make sure there's no contamination inside.